So you guys want to make animated grass like this in After Effects, but you still create manually in Blender or confused how to create it. So you watch the right tutorial. Welcome to Element 3D tutorial series by TFBAGAS. So at this time I will show you a quick tutorial about how to create animated grass like this in After Effects. So without further ado, let's do it. So of course you need to create new camera with 50mm for me, new solid, and add element effect. Alright, after that you can click scene setup. Alright, after like this, you don't need to create animated grass manual in Blender. So you guys just to download my animated, not mine, but you can download 3D animated grass model in description. So you just download it in my description, and then after you download, you can open your element, import, click file, import, and 3D sequence. Alright, after this you can go to your file. Wait, I forgot to turn on my external drive. Alright, like this. You need to find where you save your animated grass. I save at this one. Alright, go to grass, and as you can see there's a lot 3D model from 0 until 214. So you just click the first frame, click open, click OK, and this is the grass, and you can create the 3D scene. So you just need to duplicate like this, duplicate again, duplicate, duplicate, and duplicate. You can do it all of them. Alright, let's like this and like this, and then you can select all. No, you need to create new folder, select all of animated grass, drag into the group folder, and duplicate the folder. Alright, like this, and after that you can create a group again, create a new group again, and name it grass. Nope, not this one. Name it grass. Okay, and select all your grass folder and drag into this folder, and then you can add. I'll duplicate it again, place at this one, and you can add other 3D object that you want. But at this time I will add just I want to add Tori. So Tori is Japanese kid, Tori source, and I want to add this one. Okay, normal size, so like this, and you can create the ground, scale it up, default, diffuse, and load the texture. Where's my texture? Alright, like this, and then like this. Add 3D model again. I want to add mountain. Add mountain. Where's mountain 3D model? Done. Alright. Well, this is very heavy to load, so sorry. I want this disclaimer. If you want to create 3D scene with animated grass, make sure your computer or your laptop has good specification, at least 4GB of VRAM, because this is actually, I would like to say, this is heavy to load. So let's see, my computer is use RTX 3015 4 GB of VRAM, and it's use half of VRAM. Okay, so make sure your computer is enough to run this one. Right, I want to add the texture. I want to add like this and like this. No. Alright, rotate. And to make it realistic, you can add environment, element 3D. You can use HDRI that you have, but for this video I would like to use sunset HDRI. Alright, like this, and then you can turn on the environment to see. Alright, looks good. You can click OK, and then go to group 1, create group 0. Alright, like this, and set the position, camera position. Alright, to place like this. Alright, to create it more realistic, you can go to black solid of element, render setting, physical environment, show in background, like this, and go to ambient occlusion, enable AO, and set SSAO intensity to 10. Not too much, I think 8. Alright, looks good. And go to fog, enable fog. Nope, enable fog. And because my scene is sunset, so I will use orange fog like this. Alright, looks good. It will be like this, and I will set start distance. Alright, like this. Nope. Alright, like this, and then you can add rays to create more realistic. Where's my rays? I hope. Alright, like this, it's too much. I would like to set it first. Alright, light brightness. Okay, looks good. And let's see the animated grass. Alright, enough. Let's see. And this is the animated grass, so you don't need to create manually in Blender or download and animate it manually or something else. Just use the 3D animated model in description, download and place into Element 3D, so it will be like this, very easy, very fast and realistic. So this is quick tutorial about how to create what I said before, how to create animated grass in After Effects. So thank you for watching, see you in the next tutorial, goodbye.